Owners of older buildings are being asked to step up their efforts to meet sustainability targets. National Development Minister Desmond Lee says so far, slightly more than half of the target to green buildings here by 2030 has been met. He said they can tap on a scheme that provides up to $1.2 million in funding to retrofit buildings for greater energy efficiency. Mr. Lee was speaking at the opening of DBS's newly retrofitted net zero building.
This is more, as I said, more challenging than designing a new green building from scratch. The original development may not have been designed with sustainability in mind. Technology then would not have been available, and really the whole psyche of green buildings back then is quite different from what we are in today, the current environment. And making retrofitting is indeed more complex and potentially more costly.
The DBS building in Newton is Singapore's first net zero development by a bank. Retrofitting the 30-year-old building cost about $5 million. Some 400 solar panels on its roof power the building's air conditioning system, fans and lamp posts. Sensors automatically turn off lights when not in use, while the facade, made of bamboo, shades the building while encouraging natural ventilation. Some previously air-conditioned areas have been converted to naturally ventilated spaces. All these have helped cut energy consumption by 70%.
So the intent is that if the net zero is achieved on a particular given day, that means I produce more solar power than what the building actually consumes, then from a technicality, I actually don't pay a bill for that day, and I actually sell that back to the grid, so to speak. On the flip side, there are certain days where I use too much, and therefore I will have to obviously pay more for the bill for that particular day. So the whole intent is that over the year, it nets out at zero.